Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write Creative. Now search. And you should install this application, what called Creative. Now open it. If you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need, click Do Not Allow. Right here we need to 100% click at the Allow to find this earbud. Next, in this menu you can log in into your account or you can create your account, but I'm going to skip it, I don't want to make it. And we did it. Now, in the next video we'll show you how to add your device to the application, and if you don't need it, how to do it, just watch that video. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!